To change DPI on a POCO M8, we have two methods. The first method is to go to Settings, scroll down over here and go to Additional Settings, then choose Accessibility. Now we can go to the Vision, and over here we have Display Size, which allows you to set up the DPI over here by moving left or right. And if you make any changes, remember to use this check in the upper right corner. Now, if you want to be a little bit more specific and choose exactly the DPI for this phone, then what you can do is you can go back to the main page of settings, and we're gonna go to About Phone in order to activate developer options. You need to keep tapping on OS version until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then you will see that you are now a developer. After that, we're gonna go back and we need to re-enter additional settings. Then scroll down and go to developer options. In here, keep scrolling until you find the smallest width option, which should be in the drawing section over here. 384 is the standard value, so in case you made some changes and you want to revert it, you can of course enter that standard value, or just go back to the accessibility and change the display size. But in here, the smaller the number is, the bigger the screen will be. So we can type, let's say, 220 in order to make everything bigger. 320 is actually the limit, you cannot put a smaller number. And the bigger the number, then of course the opposite will happen, so everything will be much smaller. Although with HyperOS, there is a chance that it will not work immediately. Sometimes you have to try a couple of times until it actually changes. Sometimes you have to actually use different numbers to make it work. As you can see now, 330 worked. I'm not sure why 320 didn't. 325 also works, and maybe even 321. No, actually it doesn't. So let's try a bigger number, like 600 for example. And there we go. As you can see, everything is much smaller. So you can give it a try. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.